Income shouldn't be fragile. Just one unexpected change can turn everything upside down. By the way, my name is Pastor Emmeline. Hours get cut, companies restructure, markets shift. Sounds familiar? When all your income relies on a single source, it becomes precarious. I made the choice to bolster my financial situation by building an online income on the side. Diversifying isn't about making a big splash. It's about being smart and responsible. If this resonates with you, save it. Share it with someone who could use this advice. DM me thought and let's chat. This is your mentor with grace. Have a blessed day.